Hello guys, welcome again in Learn Basics. This is Abhi and today I am going to amaze you with some interesting MS Word tricks. Okay, so just keep watching this video. So guys, let's create the border with the help of your keyboard. So for that you don't need to go anywhere. Just type like that and press enter. So as you can see, the single line has been created. Okay, now is equal to sign. Then press enter. As you can see, the double line has been created. Now let's create the dots line. Okay, so for that you need to press asterisk, then enter. So as you can see, the dot line has been created. Okay, let's another create the artistic line. Press this sign, press enter. So as you can see, the different kind of border has been created. So friends, I hope you like the video. So please subscribe and share with your friends. I'll keep sharing an interesting tutorial with you. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye.